tukod.
So what's up mga kaibigan, nandito ako ngayon sa Kantilan dahil papalapit na ang Fiesta Celebration. Magsisimula ang mga activities dito mula August 1 to 16. August 1 pa nga lang ay ramdam ko na kasiyahan dito sa Kantilan. Kaya naglakad-lakad muna ako saglit para ipakita sa inyo ang mga nagaganap sa plaza dito sa Kantilan. Marami na mga tindahan na nagbebenta dito ng mga pagkain. Bakit?
Low vlog.
Shout out Kenny Torres.
Dahil dumarami na ang mga taong nagsisipuntahan dito sa iba't ibang lugar. Kaya kung balak yung pumunta dito sa Kantilan, wag na kayong magdalawang isip pa. Isama mo ang pamilya mo, kaibigan mo at jowa mo dito sa Kantilan. Dahil from August 1 to 16, worth it ang desisyon mo. So sa mga nakapanood ng previous vlog ko na kung masaya ang fiesta celebration ng Del Carmen, well, ibihin nyo ang fiesta ng Kantilan. Dahil August 1 pa nga lang ay ramdam ko na napakasaya talaga. Everyday, iba't ibang mga activities ang nagaganap dito. Lalo na't merong mga celebrity na darating dito, kaya abangan nyo. The next day, pumunta ako ulit sa lungsod para manood ng Circus and Fire Dance Exhibition ngayong alas 9 ng gabi. And at the same time, papakita ko rin sa inyo kasi why not, diba? Pero bago muna, bumili muna ako ng pagkain kasi I'm too early. Gugutumin ako kasi mamaya pang alas 9 ng gabi. Shoutout ka kuya, ang sarap ng pagkain nila, nabusog ako, alright. Pag nagugutom ka, kumain ka.
We go to a party.
Shoutout sa mga ates, titas na nasa likod ko. Marami nang manonood ang dumating. Natatawa ako dahil bago pa magsimula ang event ay dinogsyo na kami ng mga aso, nyeta. Anyways, enjoy the video.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters. They're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear.
Don't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me
My
coming.
energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
Thank you.
Pagkatapos ng fire dance, ito ang masamang nangyari. Naslide si Kuya sa kalagitnaan ng show. Dahil nga meron kanina nag-fire dance, mga tumalsik na gas siguro yun. Pero ang good news guys is okay lang si Kuya. Walang masamang nangyari sa kanya. Enjoy the next.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could
Yeah.
be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play you guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, or pain when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now. I remember everything, and how careless we got. It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we got.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be. And how
Wait for my next vlog. By the way, it's your boy, JBluden TV. Adios!